Welcome to this special video for readers of Building a Bold Brand. I want to tell you about how to use the Bold Brand Scoresheet. You can see on the visual here in the video, and you can see in a link underneath it how to download your own copy of the Scoresheet that have created a metric for helping to assess your brand and how well protected it is. So first step is to take the assessment. Give yourself an honest rating and score in each category as applicable. And then you'll see at the bottom, you could have a score between 0 and 12, okay? If your score is 10 or greater, you're probably doing great and you probably don't need to seriously consider doing anything. You're on top of your brand, just keep doing what you're doing. That's great. If your score was between a 6 and a 9, then you've got some room to improve. And I would first encourage you to go back and look at the score sheet and see if your grade in any category was a 0. If you have any zeros, you should address those first. See if you can move your score up over time by taking some actions that you've learned through reading the book. Finally, if you have a score that is 5 or under, then you've got some possible concerns. You've got a brand that might be rather weak or vulnerable and unprotected. So you could do two things. You can identify some steps you can take to move those zeros up to 1s and 2s, and using the book, following the tips in there. And you probably also would benefit from speaking to a trademark attorney to help you deal with that weak and vulnerable asset and figure out what the best strategy is to tackle it and try to get whatever protection you can. I hope you found this tip and the other information in the book very valuable. If you have any comments or feedback or ideas for future videos, feel free to reach out to me and let me know.